Storytelling with cool stock videos. Note the following ingredients: one message, one structure, lots of good quality videos. Prepare the base of your recipe. What message do you want to convey? Cook food in order. Follow a simple structure: beginning, middle, and end. Good ingredients are half the recipe. The quality of the images are half your story. Customize the menu for your public. Select footage that aligns with the tone and style of your video. Create the perfect yummy meal. Pay attention to lighting, color grading, and overall aesthetics. Proportion is as important as quality, so choose the perfect resolution for your video project too. Cooking something themed? Add a key ingredient. Use resources to give context to your piece. Are you ready to cook a good story? Start creating an exciting story and level up using quality stock videos. And don't forget the best ingredient of all. Your talent is the secret of all recipes. With these tips, your creativity, and Freepik, your audience will fall in love with your idea.